All right, guys, so welcome everyone to this very exciting call. My name is Vitaly Dubinin, and today we are going to talk about a very exciting launch that is happening next week, December 15th, that I believe will be the biggest launch and crypto project of 2021 that is going to help a lot of people earn a lot of money. Some people become millionaires with this project, and this is disruptive. The first time in history we are seeing real crypto trading that's already been proven and working for many years now, and combining that with this absolutely hot trend in crypto, which is decentralized smart contract, and we are basing the smart contract on ultra fast Tron blockchain. We'll talk about how you can earn crypto profits passively with this project that previously has only been accessible for institutional clients and hedge funds, and now you can leverage the same level of technology that previously, like I said, only been available to high level clients with over $1 million in portfolio. I mean, you could trade with less money as well, but right now they're moving out of the retail, and with this project, because of this project, and now for the first time, people across the world, no matter where you are in the world, can participate in this crowdfunding project that is backed by this company called Endotech that is doing this high-level fintech AI trading. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. All right, so give me 1 second, guys. Loading this up. All right. Cool. Okay, there you go. Can you see my screen? Can you hear me? Just put in a plus in the chat if you can see my screen. You can hear everything fine. And we are beginning. Okay, so the project is called D.AI.SY, which stands for Decentralized AI System. It also was inspired by this flower called the daisy. Okay, and the company, the trading is actually backed by this company called Endotech. We'll talk about it in a moment. I visited their headquarters. It's really cool. The target launch date for this project is December 15th, so literally in a few days from now. And this is disrupting, like I said, a new category of financial business, a combination of crowdfunding based on a smart contract and transparent AI trading. Now, before we begin, a little legal disclaimer: contributions are not investments into trading and are for the purpose of crowdfunding the D.AI.SY AI project. 85% of trading profits generated from the crowdfunding are awarded back to the crowdfund participants. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Some results historically, you can see, are based on compound returns. Now, let's dive into it. What is D.AI.SY? It's an equity crowdfunding model for financial technologies. It's a smart contract, it's a DeFi app. You'll see this back office. And it's based on a blockchain, a Tron blockchain, not a company. A model where everyone wins with profits, equity in the stocks, as you'll discover shortly, and income. Currently crowdfunding the D.AI.SY AI project, and members receive exclusive stock, equity, and profit rewards because this company, Endotech, is planning to go public in the next year and a half, and everybody can receive an exclusive stock equity with this company. Now, what is D.AI.SY AI? It's a decentralized AI system being developed by this company, Endotech, which is actually founded right here in Israel, where I live, and that gives me an edge, you would say, or a privilege, or I'm so blessed and that I'm here in Israel and actually can visit them. They're like 20 minutes away from where I live. It's a short car drive and I'm there. And I'll tell you a story a little bit how I actually met these guys. And it's not the first time I'm meeting the co-founder of this company. I actually met him last year. And yeah, so I already visited their headquarters. I'll talk about it in a second. D.AI.SY AI is the next generation of artificial intelligence trading. D.AI.SY AI will multiply the current AI performance by 4 times or more. Essentially, they already have AI strategies. They have like 50 different strategies already working. And D.AI.SY AI, what we are crowdfunding with this project D.AI.SY, is their next generation of development. They need to do research and development for this, and also trade on funds that will essentially multiply their already working performance. D.AI.SY AI is the first project capitalized by D.AI.SY crowd fund. Essentially, there is a separation between D.AI.SY and Endotech, right? Because the Endotech is a software company. D.AI.SY is a smart contract project, and they also they reserve the rights to also crowdfund under project along the way. That's why D.AI.SY AI is the first project capitalized by D.AI.SY crowdfund. 85% of trading profits are rewarded back to D.AI.SY members, and D.AI.SY AI is Endotech's path to becoming a public company. Who is Endotech? The first technology partner of D.AI.SY crowdfund, a global fintech company specializing in AI trading system. The roadmap to complete D.AI.SY AI and be publicly traded is in 2022, and currently providing AI trading systems for top financial institutions. They actually have right now over 2,000 clients that are connected via API to their trading algorithms. Some of them are retail clients, some of them are institutional clients that paid over $125,000 fee, an annual fee, in order to trading with them, with their strategies. Proven track record of high performance results, and founded by Dr. Anna Becker, operated by top AI scientists. They have right now 25 people on staff working with this company. A lot of it is remotely. And Dr. Anna Becker actually founded this company in 2012. So that's 8 years ago. This is not her first company. The previous company was a strategy runner that was operating for over a decade, that she sold for several $1 million. And since 2012, actually, they were trading on other markets, commodity markets and Forex markets for retail. And they took their trading algorithm and strategies, and since end of 2017, they started to implement it into the crypto space. Because crypto space boomed, they didn't want to miss out on it. And after they have implemented the strategies that they have already developed for many years, and they were very, very pleased by the results, to tell you the least. And you know, that's why they shift that focus. The crypto markets, you know, that's a young industry relatively to the other industries. The volatility is also much higher, and I'll share with you some of the results that they've been able to achieve. Now, before that, it's important for you guys to understand who you are dealing with. Dr. Anna Becker, the founder of Endotech, she is like the prodigy child. You know, she was already at the top math school at age 6. You know, she was studying in Moscow. She was at the top of the class, and when she was 16, she immigrated to Israel and went into the leading University of Israel called Technion. So if you Google it, it's I was there actually at one time. I wanted to go to the Technion University. I had the grades for it, and but thanks God I didn't go. It's like it's too much. It's too much. But she was at 16 already there, and she was already at 19, had a degree, and she solved a mathematical equation at age 20 that had not been solved for 30 years, guys. You know, if you go here to this website, let's show you guys this feedback vertex set is right now being used in the top institutions and applications. You can see right here research articles. You can see Becker and right. And I was actually in the office there of Endotech. I saw those huge books written by Dr. Anna, you know, laying there at the table. So, you know, she's really smart, really smart woman. And she was very fascinated by AI at the early age. So that's why she went to study AI, computer science and AI at a Technion. And she was at 20 already lecturing students. One of my friends came over last week. He was with me, and he's like, I recognize Dr. Anna Becker. She was my lecturer in the university. I'm like, seriously? You know, so that was kind of cool. He recognized her from 26 years ago. I'm like, yeah. So she was already lecturing at age 20, very young age. Essentially, she was running this strategic runner company. If you go to LinkedIn for Anna Becker, you can see her right here at running the strategic strategy runner company right here. This is the university she was studying at. Okay. Yeah, this is strategy runner, founder and president. You can see September 2001 until September 2011. So for 10 years, she was running this company. Then she sold it to MF Global. That happened in 2011 for $3.75 million. Okay. And next, she started Endotech next year together with Dmitry Grushin. You can see them right here on the Endotech website. Okay, so these guys have been working together for many years, and I will not tell you some of the other things, but that he told me keep in private. But you know, these guys, long story short, they have long roots of working together. Let's just put it like this, okay? And in 2017, Dr. Anna became a member of DRC, which is this committee, this financial commission. You can see right here, Dr. Anna Becker, founder of Sherpa, with more than 20 years of senior leadership and innovation in retail brokerage and financial organization. Has core experiences in finding retail software solutions and building retail brokerages. She has proven expertise in bringing new technologies like big data systems, behavioral systems, and automation to drive innovation in retail trading. Okay. Dr. Becker's early entrepreneurial successes range from founding Strategy Runner, sold, to driving growth in established organizations. Lately, she founded Sherpa, providing new technology service to retail financial institutions. So she was already throughout her hands over 300 different systems passed. Okay, she worked with more than 300 brokers and served as the compliance officers with regulators like the NFA and CFTC guys. Okay, she was right there with the CFTC, the Chief Financial Trading Commission. Okay, so you understand who you are dealing with. She holds a PhD degree from the AI in artificial intelligence from Technion. Okay, so all of that is verified information. This is in the ORG website of Financial Commission. So yeah, she's not a typical founder, guys. She's very, very smart, and she has a team of AI doctors under management, developed more than 20 trading systems successfully used by investment companies in US. They have banks as their clients. They had Deutsche Bank as their client, okay, and many, many others. So the history of Dr. Anna AI and trading dates a very, very long time ago, okay, essentially. Yeah, this is some more information about Anna, but you get the picture. She managed over $1 billion of investment, asset under management, and has been deployed and managed in institutional minds for more than a decade. Okay, this is some more background about her and about, you know, Trinidad Financial Commission chairman and what she said about Dr. Anna, and essentially you get the picture. She is super smart, overhuman woman, you would say. She is like, you know, the prodigy child, and her next level of like why now and why this project with Daisy. I was actually on a call a couple days ago with her and other people in Russian, and she speaks Russian, and obviously, and I speak Russian as well, so I understood everything they were talking about, essentially. And you know, she wants to bridge that gap between the rich and the poor, you know, essentially the people that are, you know, they have a couple $1,000, let's say, they cannot participate in those high level trading, you know, that is available for big hedge funds and banks and institutions. So she wants to change that. And with this project, it is going to come into reality, okay? As now, everyone essentially will be able to take a piece and participate in what she has been working on for several decades now, her experience and knowledge, and that's a beautiful thing that she wants to do. And they want to take it to the next level and trade on several $100 million with this Daisy AI, this next generation of trading. And the Daisy crowdfunding, that Daisy AI, this next level of AI strategies that I want to develop that will multiply the results even more. Now, Dmitry, this is the person I actually met at the office right there. He's the COO, the Chief Operational Officer of Endotech, the co-founder of Endotech as well. More than 15 years of experience within the field of algo trading, special focus on pattern recognition. He also has a proven ability within business development, PR, online marketing, having successfully serviced the fintech and AI ML sectors for over a decade now. He also holds a chess grandmaster, like he's very good at chess, obviously. So I will not compete with him in chess. He will beat me. And he also has a degree in physics and planetary sciences. You know, it's not surprising they're working together so well because they're both are pretty smart. This is me visiting the offices and meeting Dmitry. And long story short, I met him last year, actually, and for a different reason. Like, I didn't know that he was COO of Endotech at the time I was meeting him. He was working with somebody to essentially also help people with liquidity, like people that want to buy and sell, you know, large quantities of Bitcoin, you know, hundreds of Bitcoins, thousands of Bitcoin over the counter. So they were also assisting with those type of demand. So I met him and his partner in regards to that, and we were sitting drinking coffee, and he started to tell me about Endotech, and we met like for 20 minutes, 25 minutes or something like that. He told me about Endotech and what they're doing with trading and how they're selling licenses for $6,000 for some retail clients. And they had hundreds of clients like this, you know, in the crypto space. And I'm like, you know, he offered me to test their service, and kind of it slipped through my hands. Maybe I didn't want to pay the $6,000 license fee. I don't know. I don't remember. But obviously I didn't feel comfortable to go to my people and say, you know, pay $6,000 for a license to start trading. So that was it. And this year, when I got a call about this project and Endotech, and I put one and one together, I'm like, I already had his phone number from last year, so I called him. I'm like, how are you doing? What do you have going on there? Are you know, doing this big project with D.AI.SY? And he said yes. So I said, okay, I want to meet, you know, let's talk, because this is going to be huge. So that's how we met. And you can see right here, this is me essentially next to their offices, okay, and getting inside and meeting Dmitry over there, okay, and sitting with Dmitry and interviewing him. I was there for like 5 hours. Yeah, so what they're doing is real, and that's why I'm so excited, because there's a lot of hype, a lot of nonsense in the crypto space, and the fact that you can connect you know, your own trading account like Binance, for example, or Kraken or Gemini exchange to Endotech via API key, and they're going to be trading for your funds, and they already have many clients already, you know, doing that. So it's not a startup that is starting from zero. Okay, they have long history of working with institutions, hedge funds in other markets too, and in crypto since 2018. Okay, this is one of their top alpha strategy, and alpha, they have alpha and beta strategies, guys. So alpha is for long and short. They have both long and short positions. So when the market goes up or the market goes down, they can benefit. What you're seeing right here is a compound strategy, minimum capital $1 million, right? So that and this is their fee, the entry fee, $125,000, an exit fee 20%. This is for institutions, right? And since January 2018, you know, for this, what, like 34 months, right, to almost 3 years, they had winning months, they had losing months. As you can see, it's not all win, but they managed to average annually, and this is in the bear market. 2018 was a bear market. They averaged 814% annual return, a compound profit of 2,239%, which is amazing. You can see the worst day loss was 15%, 21 winning months, 13 losing months. And even with their more aggressive strategies, okay, they are aiming at actually no more than 30% monthly drawdown. And that is being overweight by the other months that, you know, when they win 200%, 300%. They're looking for those breakouts. Like, for example, we had a breakout in Bitcoin in October when Bitcoin went from 12,000 to almost $20,000, and they catched this move on the up, and they didn't sell, right? Until their algorithms told them to sell. Okay, so that's very cool. Here is another strategy results. You can see over here for several months, September, November, 297% profit. Here's another strategy. This is Ethereum long strategy, 10x. From 20th of October until today, the 10th of December, 113% profit. Okay, so with this strategy, you know, running like this, that would project it an annual return of about 800%. So that's really cool. D.AI.SY, and by the way, all of these strategies, some of them at least, you can see on Endotech, because they have like 50 strategies. But you can see one of the top strategies right here. Yeah, alpha strategies, beta strategies. Here's leverage strategies. Okay, and essentially see the performance and see the history transparently. You can see the actual trades that have taken place. Okay, take a look at here on the history. You can see the actual positions and the trades and the dates, right? When they bought Ethereum, when they sold, when they bought, when they sold. Okay, positions history, when they were in when they were in Ethereum, when they were in USDT. Okay, all of that stuff. Okay, so D.AI.SY AI technology is the most advanced solution in the market of AI trading. This technology needs funding of $10 million for research and development, like I said, plus testing along with leading AI experts. This technology will increase tremendously the trading performance of Endotech. And D.AI.SY is crowdfunding. Okay, the top position in the matrix will finance crowdfunding projects starting from D.AI.SY AI. Okay, all packages include Endotech stock equity until top position earnings reach $10 million. So that's the goal with the top position here, and obviously also the funds for the trading, live trading on the account. So this is the matrix. You can see 1, 3, then each one of the position under has 3, so that's 9, and that each one of these 9, so that's 27, and so forth. Regarding the stocks, the planned IPO of Endotech, whether with the Australian Securities Exchange or other, it's not 100% confirmed information. Okay, but you know, that's what they plan to put 10% of Endotech equity when they launch the IPO. It's like the company becomes public, and this stocks. So 10% of that goes to the members. 5% of the equity goes to the members based on their packages, and 5% of equity goes to leaders who passed some qualifications. So total is 10%. They're basing this, and that's why it's so exciting here, guys. This D.AI.SY project is based on the smart contract on the Tron blockchain, which allows to automate interaction between members in the D.AI.SY fund. So when this smart contract is published and is done, essentially no changes can be made in the smart contract. And we can trust that no changes in the marketing plan or something else will be happening, because it's all based on this smart contract. The Tron blockchain, and why Tron? Because it is very fast and very cheap blockchain. Enables to scale the network and the crowdfunding model without paying any significant fees. A smart contract is a guarantee of the system transparency. Nobody can terminate you here or steal your money. After the smart contract is launched, the system will be fully decentralized, and all the members will have equal rights and possibilities within this system. Here is the roadmap of Endotech. So the registered in 2012. 2017, they started a crypto trading, developed and implemented. 2018, the commercial use of AI crypto trading started, so meaning retail clients, institutional clients. November 2020, the valuation of Endotech reached $100 million. And that's how is those type of tech companies. There is a multiplier. If they were to sell this company, that will be the minimum that would demand $100 million valuation, because they already have the clientele, the base, the strategies, etc. And they're trading right now on $10 million for crypto. In December 2020, the launch of the DAISY crowd fund. This is where we are right now. 2021, that's what we are looking at, the crowdfunding of $10 million into DAISY AI, the first phase of development of DAISY AI, and $500 million of asset under management in DAISY fund. Now, they're not going to stop there. They have all this diversification that will happen in the other markets as well, that they have experience in as well, like Forex, for example, commodities. Okay. Yes, this is the first phase. 2022, complete DAISY AI, Endotech goes public. Added Forex AI trading to DAISY, additional $1 billion of asset under management, and 23 adding stock AI trading to DAISY. How does it work for me? So the referral plan funds $10 million to DAISY AI for development. That's where the opportunity right now, both in the upfront money and in residual income and in the trading profits. We have 10 crowdfunding packs to choose from, starting in just $100. So if you have $100, you can already participate in this project. Every contributor gets their equal share of 5% Endotech stock, 50% to 70%, depending on the package, is used in live trading for development. 70% of the trading profit is rewarded back to the contributor, and 15% of the trading profits is rewarded to the residual referral plan. So as you build a network here with DAISY, and people withdraw their profits, you can generate a percentage of that as well. So that's a long-term residual income that you can have here based on the trading profits. All members are able to participate in the DAISY referral plan. Referral plan pays out up to 46% of each crowdfund package. So we'll dive into that in a moment, how it works. This is a sneak peek of the dashboard, how it will look like, okay? And I saw, that there are like 13 different leading smart contract programmers that are working on this project. That are doing testing right now. We're like 5 days before the launch. You can see the different levels, the different packages over here. You can see there is a crowd, there is DAISY crowd, and there is DAISY fund. Okay, you'll see how close we are to the target of the $10 million. How many members in DAISY, the total into the crowd fund. Okay, you see your rewards. You'll see your current package, the DAISY fund, shares, how many shares you have in the stock equity. You'll see different things regarding to the bonus, like the 30-day pay setter bonus, that we'll talk about it here. Infinity Club, Unilevel here. This is for the trading profits. How many personal referrals you have, members in your team, all kinds of stuff in the back office. Performance, referral link, okay? Now, before we get into the referral plan, another little disclaimer. Purchasing the DAISY crowdfund package is a contribution to the equity crowdfund for the DAISY AI development and other trading investment. Endotech is giving both shares of stock in the company and profit sharing from trading results to each contributor of crowdfunding rewards. Prior to Endotech going public, shares of Endotech stocks will be rewarded to each crowdfund contributor. Stock certificates will require the KYC verification to each member's legal identity before any shares of stock can be rewarded. In the case that Endotech does not go public, the equity will be converted into dividends for each member. The trading accounts will be used for the purpose of testing and development. Past performance does not guarantee future results and is for informational purposes only. Historical performances shown are also the results of compounding profits. Profit rewards are contingent upon profitable trading performance, and results are not a guarantee. You know, guys, it's crypto markets. All performance will be visible with full transparency to each crowdfund member. That transparency is great, and we'll talk about that shortly, because there'll be an auditing company showing full transparency of what's going on with the funds and with the trading. Okay, and essentially, the D.AI.SY is registered as a crowd fund. Okay, and Endotech is the company doing the trading. It's a software company, but it's important to keep that separation between D.AI.SY and Endotech. Okay, now let's talk about the referral plan and then go into some Q&A. The referral plan, guys, is optional. Of course, you don't have to refer in order to benefit from this project. People who are just going to participate in D.AI.SY without referring anyone, they can still profit, of course, because a significant portion of the funds are going into the actual trading. So you can benefit from withdrawing the profits that accrue. Okay, and you can even get inside the matrix spillover, even if you don't refer anyone, up to 48% of the money. So essentially, even if you don't refer anyone, you can still benefit from this project. Okay, so again, it's not necessary to refer, it's optional. People who will share the message and refer other members to D.AI.SY, there is a very lucrative referral plan that pays in instant payouts, which is amazing, guys, via the Tron smart contract. So it goes directly into your Tron wallet that you control the private key. So it's not like you need to request a withdrawal from a centralized company. It's amazing. You'll get instantly those Trons into your personal wallet that you control the private key. You can do whatever you want with it, getting back to fiat, to Bitcoin, or whatever. So we have three areas of the referral plan. We have the upfront income, we have the residual income from trading profits, and the stock equity. Okay, so let's dive into that in more detail. The upfront income pays up to 46% payout of these packages. It consists of these bonuses right here: the matrix bonus, personal referral bonus, matrix check matching bonus, pace setter revenue share bonus, upfront infinity bonus, and infinity check matching bonus. So that's the upfront income. Let's dive into it. What does it mean? Okay, so we have 10 crowdfunding packages to choose from, starting from $100. Those are the packages right here. $100 package, $200 package, $400, $800, $1,600, $3,200, $64, $12,800, $25,600, and $51,200. Those cannot be purchased separately. So if you want to participate in this package, you have to own also this, and this package as well. Okay, so that's why it has the total funded right here. And let's go back a couple of slides. Packages 1 to 7, 50% goes into the D.AI.SY fund for trading. Packages 8 to 10, the higher packages, 70% goes into the D.AI.SY fund for trading. So that's good. People that contribute more money, they have more money to be traded with. 70% of the trading profits rewarded back to you, and 15% of the trading rewards goes into the referral residual plan. You can withdraw the trading rewards at any time. Okay, and every time you withdraw the profits, it triggers the smart contract as well. Get stock in Endotech, 5% shares equally, up to 46% upfront payout. And yeah, you already know that it funds the $10 million to D.AI.SY development. There is also the VIP customer level. So after you purchase all of the 10 packages, you actually become a VIP customer and receive the privilege as if you own an institutional license with Endotech, essentially allowing you to connect your personal crypto exchange accounts to Endotech via API keys and keep 100% of your funds in the trading, okay? Essentially, you'll pay an extra 5% fee of whatever amount you want to trade. Let's say you want to trade with $200,000. So you'll pay 5% of that to Endotech, and the rest you connect directly to your personal account on, to their algorithms, essentially. And they manage it directly. So that's really good. I'm going to do it and connect my account to their algorithms and show you the progress of that from time to time. Okay. Essentially, Endotech provides the customer support. You pay 20% performance fee instead of 30%. So what it means is, like, every 90 days, they will ask you kindly to share with them 20% of the profit. So let's say that you have $100,000 that you start with when your personal account, and they make you it grows to $250,000 within several months. So that profit of 150,000, they will ask you to pay 20% of that directly to Endotech, which is fair. That's fine. And keep 80% of the profits to yourself. So that's every 90 days. That's a VIP customer, okay? And that's beautiful, because otherwise, being like, you would have to pay $125,000 fee separately to Endotech. And here, with 10 packages, you'll have $70,000 that already goes into trading for you in the D.AI.SY in the trade account, right? And you have the license, so you can connect your personal funds. So that's for VIP. Transparency of trading, they are hiring this international audit company, one of the top 5 in the financial space for auditing. And they're going to be doing monthly audit on the trading account and provide it in the back office. Here's audited by this and this company. Live trading accounts of VIP customers. Yes, okay. So how it looks like, again, those are the 10 crowdfund levels. This is the total fund. So you can start with $100, $300, $700, $1,500, $3,100, $6,300, $12,700, $25,500 for a total of 8 packages, $51,100 for a total of 9 packages levels, and maximum is $102,300 for entry of the 10 packages over here. Now, this is how it is divided. The trade account, you can see, goes 50-50 from packages 1 to 7. So 50% goes to the trade account, and 50% goes to the D.AI.SY crowd through the matrix. And those packages over here, 70% goes into the trade account, and 30% goes into the D.AI.SY crowd fund. Okay. Also, you can see here the shares in 5% equity. Okay. The amount of shares that you get, the stocks. Okay. So now the compression. So this is how it works. The matrix packages compress. Every package has its own matrix. Okay. It has 10 generations. So the first generation has 3 positions, the second 9, the third 27, 81, 243, 729, 2,187. And you can see over here Total is 88,572 in each one of the levels, in each one of the packages. It has its own matrix, okay? You can only fill the matrix from the package that you own. So if you own only $100 package and someone in your team or from spillover from above buys the next level packages, let's say $200 package, it is locked for you, so it will not get into your matrix essentially, and you will lose out. So let's say that if this is you and you have $100 package, okay, and you start building a team, and somebody buys the $200 package and you don't have it, then it will compress up. It will compress up to the next person who owns the $200 package inside. Okay, and that is true for all these packages. If you have 5 packages and somebody in your team buys the 6th one, so it will compress upwards. So that's why it's good to start with as many packages that you can comfortably participate in from the get-go, to not miss out and to earn the most amount of essentially funds. Now here is how it works from the first bonus, okay, in the upfront category, the matrix bonus, okay, the matrix bonus. So the matrix bonus is working like this. You have these 4%, you can see the first generation, so of the matrix, packages 1 to 7, you get 4%. So whoever is landing in those positions, you earn 4% of that, okay? And packages 8 to 10, you earn 2% because more money is going to the trade account, essentially. Now to earn from generation 1 and 2, there is no requirement like to have personal referrals or funds, non-requirement whatsoever. So you have essentially 12 people, right? 12 people here that can spill over into your matrix, and you earn 48%, as you can see. So you can earn up to 48% essentially of your package without referring anyone at all, just from the spillover of the matrix. Okay, that what it means. Okay, so regardless of your package, right? If you have 5 or 6 entries, okay, you still can earn 48% when those fill up from the matrix up to, right, without any requirements whatsoever. Now, if you want to benefit from the spillover, which we are going to have in abundance, and we have tens of thousands of people getting ready in the launch already. So if you want to benefit from all of this movement and all of this activement in this matrix bonus over here, that you need to do those requirements as soon as you can, and start doing it like right now. To open the 3rd generation, you only need 3 people to invite, 3 people or more, and with $1,000 total fund of your personal referrals. That opens up for you the 3rd generation, and you can get the 3rd generation and spillover as well, which puts you right now into, you can see $81 over here. So if you do the math, that's 48 plus 81, that's 129, right? So that already brings up this opportunity potentially, not guaranteed, okay, potentially to get 129% of your money back just from a referral, just from referrals, okay, just from the spillover. From the spillover in your matrix, even if you already referred 3 people, but you benefited from it. So that's the first thing. And then you have the force level. You need 6 people for that, $2,000 overall. It's not difficult. The 5th generation have 9 and 4,000, etc. And to open up the 10 levels, you need 24 people personally and $128,000 as a total referral fund requirement. And that opens up the 10 level generation. If you fill just the $100 matrix to the end, and this matrix gets filled to the very bottom, your profit from this matrix bonus alone is $347,000. And that's from the first $100 package. Packages 1 to 7, the matrix, if the matrix fills until the very end, right, the 10 generations, and you're eligible to earn 10 generations, gets filled, we are talking about $43.7 million. I wish you guys to get there. It's not easy to get there. Okay, those numbers are looking good on paper. In reality, it's harder to get to tens and millions of dollars. Only big leaders are going to get to those type of numbers. Okay, but what if you fill 5 generations? You know, that's $100,000 over there. 6 generations, $250,000, and 7 generations filling up with total members of 2,187, which is not that many. We're talking about $833,000, and that's not including those higher pack. If you fill that with the higher packages, that's much bigger numbers. You can see right here. Okay, so in reality, we'll have a combination of somewhere in between, but people that will be working with this project actively, the potential here is amazing. The total potential of all these matrices in all the packages, the limit, so to say, is $198 million. So I think that's enough for everybody. As terms of a ceiling in this matrix, there is enough money for everybody here, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is the absolute max to max out everything from this matrix, essentially. Okay, so there is a pace setter bonus here, which means that in the first 30 days, if you unlock this level, so whatever level you unlock, essentially will give you the next level for free. So if you unlock 6 levels in the first 30 days, and you do this requirement, you will earn already on 7 generations. Okay, you understand? If you unlock 9, then you'll earn on 10 in the first 30 days. If you do it in the first 30 days, if you unlock all 10 matrix levels in the first 30 days, if you do this requirement, then you will get a special bonus. You'll get into the profit share of 1.1% of all global crowdfund packs and equity share of 5% of D.AI.SY stock. So essentially, you get into a special kids club. Okay, if you're doing it in 30 days, then you'll essentially be added into the special fund. And the smart contract, whenever somebody buys a new package, no matter what level, $100, $200, no matter what level, if he buys this package anywhere in the world, any team, doesn't matter, 1.1% is getting into that fund that is instantly distributed to the people who their Tron wallet address is there. So essentially, you'll have a situation where multiple times a day, you'll have notifications in your Tron wallet. Boom, 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 boom. You'll get a piece. You know, sometimes it's small, sometimes higher, but you're going to get all of these Tron movements notifications if you unlock this. So this is the first target, guys, for everybody here, to challenge yourself to do this pace setter bonus. If you do it in the first 30 days, that is huge. You need 24 or more personal referrals and total referral funding of $128,000, which you know, it's not easy. It's not hard as well. So I mean, anybody can do it, really. And if you do it, okay, you'll get forever granted this global profit share. Okay, this pace setter bonus. So that's cool. All right, moving on. The force matrix. This is reiterating essentially what I already shared. Okay, in order to get paid on any entry pack, you must upgrade to the same entry pack or higher. Okay, and this is essentially unlimited spillover here. Earn on generations 1 and 2 is no referral requirement. So yeah, we covered that. Okay, so now the next one, this is the personal referral bonus. Every crowdfund package that that is purchased, okay, from your personal referral, you get 5%. Even if you only have a $100 package, for example, and you refer somebody that have all the packages, and he puts in $102,000, all right, you will get this 5%. Even if you only have $100 package, you still will get this 5%, which is $5,000 or something. Okay, so that's for the personal referral, and you also get 10% of the matrix earnings of your personal referral. So whatever they earn, okay, you get 10% of that in the let's say in the matrix they earned $100,000. Okay, cumulatively, of course, you'll earn $10,000 from that, right? 10% matching, and that happens every time. Every time they earn on the matrix, you earn 10%. Every time you earn the matrix, they earn 10%. Okay, that's how it goes, and that's a huge bonus. That's a huge bonus over here, and that's why you see a lot of leaders are getting pumped about this opportunity. This plan is crazy, awesome. No requirements for 5% personal referral bonus. Check match pays 10% of the matrix bonus earned by your personal referrals on the same number of generations that you have personally qualified for. So that's important for this check match. If you want to earn the matrix check match on the higher levels, you need to be qualified personally to earn on these higher generations. Okay, those you need to earn. All bonuses pay instantly. On top of that, you have the D.AI.SY Infinity Club. This is for leaders. Okay, you can get to the Infinity Club essentially when you reach $1 million in total team funding overall for everybody in the first 30 days, or $10 million in total team funding ever if you reach that point. Okay, then you unlock this Infinity Club. An Infinity Club bonus pays 1% on extra on all the crowdfund packages from your entire uni-level team to infinity. Okay, and you also get 100% infinity bonus check match on first generation Infinity Club qualifiers. So if you have somebody qualified for that, you'll also get 100% infinity bonus check match on the first generation and 50% on the second. So essentially this is for big leaders, guys. Okay, it's for big leaders. So it's not very few people get this bonus. Not everybody, obviously, but those that will get this bonus, this will be an extra pretty good check for them. Now that's all for the upfront income. There is the residual trading bonus. So the residual trading bonus is based on uni level. Unlike the matrix, okay, it's not matrix, it's not forced matrix, it's uni level. So essentially, this is you, and everyone you personally refer opens up this line for you, a uni level line. Okay, And from all of these lines, you can earn up to 10 levels. And you can see right here, 12.5% you can earn upon 10 generations if you qualify. Again, you need to be qualified to earn for 10 generations, 9 or 8 or 7. So if you qualify, you can earn up to 10 level generations, union level. And anytime your team members in your team withdraw their profits, so they have the trading account, they have the profits. Anytime they choose to withdraw the profits, it goes through the smart contract and pays according to the smart contract. This payout is divided, 70%. So this is 100% of trading profits. Right? So we have 70% that goes to you. Okay, you have 12.5% that goes through here, trading override. You have another 2.5% that's for the bonus, for infinity bonus. So that's a total of 15%. And another 15% goes to a split between Endotech and D.AI.SY founders. Okay, I think half and half, like half goes to Endotech and half goes to D.AI.SY. So that is how it's been distributed, the trading profits. Okay, and of course it's not, forget about this 1% a day or something like that. There's no fixed trading profits here, because it's based on real trading results. So whatever results we are going to generate for the trading, you will see that and you can withdraw. If you do not withdraw and you compound, okay, the trading profit, like you do not withdraw and do not withdraw, 6 months into it, automatically the trading profits is going to be distributed in this uni level, okay, and for you. So yeah, so it will get triggered. So you cannot compound more than 6 months, essentially. Yeah, that's regarding to that. Let's clear. Okay. The next one is the D.AI.SY Infinity Club. Again, if you get into the Infinity Club, you also get 1% on all trading profits from your entire uni-level team. Not just the packages, the new packages, but also the trading profits. Okay, and that's it. And then you have the stock equity. You can get 5% divided, like 5% stock equity. If you get to the pay setter bonus, in the first 30 days, you also get 5% extra. And that's why we changed the game in MLM here. Transparency, have transparency, reality, long-term vision, legality, global scale. So we have essentially this Tron wallet you have that interacts with D.AI.SY, okay, and that is divided into two parts: the D.AI.SY fund and the D.AI.SY crowd. Okay, that's for trading. Rewards are getting back to your Tron wallet, and the D.AI.SY crowd fund, according to this matrices, goes into your Tron wallet as well. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. Back to here. 1 second. Okay. So how to join D.AI.SY? You download the Tron wallet, Tron Link, for example, or Clever wallet or Tron wallet on your app. I recommend the extension of Google Chrome, the Tron Link. You can download it on tronlink.org. Prepare Tron is equivalent of minimum $100, depending on the package that you want. You can buy Trons on Binance. You can buy Bitcoin on Binance, for example, convert it to Tron. You can go to simple swap and swap Bitcoin for Tron or Ethereum for Tron, for example. Anyways, acquire Tron in whatever ways that you want. Prepare and get a sign-on link from your inviter, whoever invited you to watch this presentation. Purchase an entry one and grab your spot in the matrix, and then go to the next one and the next one. So that's what I'm planning to do. First, I'm going to buy all of the 10 packages, the 10 entries, and then I will start giving the link out, okay, to my front lines. That's it. So right now, the best thing that you can do, apart from being prepared, if you want to be part of this pre-launch and get ready, open up a separate group. That's what I would recommend for your people, and start inviting your people that you connect with to this group, and stay up to date with them. Now, let's do some Q&A, guys. Let's do some Q&A.